Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, the rain has settled down this evening, looking pretty good out there. Here's our Keys camera this evening, looking down on Mallory Square, and just a few clouds here or there. 79 in Miami, 77 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 81 in Key West. Sticking scale, it's a 7, still very humid. Feels like 82 right now. Wind is calm, had 2/3 of an inch of rain. Welcome rainfall coming in at MIA. High temperatures today. This is definitely unwelcome. In the low 90s, just about everywhere. Not quite as warm along the coast, but definitely warm inland. 93 in Oakland Park. 92 is coming in from Opelika, as well as Pembroke Pines and West Kendall. Everybody else in the low 90s. No records today, but very, very close. And we've got one more day of this heat before we get a little bit of a break. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s right now across South Florida. Humidities are relatively high. The breeze pretty light and variable out there. Really not much favored wind direction. But tomorrow, once again, we're going to see a bit of a westerly wind, and that west wind, that's that hot wind direction. So temperatures are once again going to soar into the low 90s for highs. And we'll have a chance for thunderstorms, but I think they'll be a little bit earlier in the day tomorrow. They've waited until very late in the afternoon. Now the storms are moving on away. The activity's up in the northwest Bahamas there in the Abacos, and we're looking pretty good the rest of the night here. A few little showers now moving offshore between us and Bimini, but that's about it as far as we go through the night tonight. Should be mostly quiet. Computer models show that the moisture for the storms today is parked over us for one more day. Here comes this fading cold front coming down. We're ahead of it, so we're in the moisture when we see that chance for storms. But there is drier air behind it, and it briefly comes in tomorrow night and Saturday, and then it's kind of out of here. It's not going to last too long. Unfortunately, this front is fading, so as it fades out, its influence is kind of going to be waning as well. In terms of the drier air, there it is Saturday, and then it's pretty much gone on Sunday. Sunday's not going to be a bad day for Mother's Day, but just a little warmer, a little more humid, maybe a shower here or there. For tonight, though, mostly quiet, fairly muggy. Overnight lows mainly in the mid-70s, and winds pretty light. We could see a little bit of fog well inland. For tomorrow, look for hot sun to start once again. Temperatures in the low 90s and some spotty afternoon storms developing. Feels like temperatures going to be in the upper 90s. Definitely going to feel warm. Southwest to west winds on the water at around 10, seas 1 to 2 feet of light chop on the bays, and 81 is now the surf temperature. Through the weekend into next week, a hot day on Friday, and then with that front coming through, temperatures fall off, so not so bad for the weekend, but of course we warm back up next week. Back to you.